confusing, weak power, frequent jamming, and uncomfortable designs often make DIY work difficult. A good electric staple gun should be powerful, reliable, and easy to handle for different projects. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best electric stapler guns of 2026 on AliExpress. These tools are compact, efficient, and perfect for upholstery, woodworking, home renovation, and DIY projects. We researched product features and user reviews to buoy. Number 4. Electric Staple Gun Construction Stapler. The 230V 2-in-1 electric staple gun construction stapler is a versatile tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners. It supports both staples and nails, making it suitable for upholstery, furniture repair, and renovation work. The powerful electric motor provides consistent stapling performance while reducing manual effort. Its ergonomic handle offers comfortable control during longer tasks, with a compact design and reliable construction. Number 3. Cordless Li-ion Nail Gun Automatic. The cordless Li-ion nail gun automatic plastic strip nail gun offers strong performance and cordless convenience. Compatible with MAKITA batteries, this tool provides excellent mobility and flexibility for construction tasks. It can drive nails into tough surfaces like concrete and steel, making it ideal for professional work and heavy-duty projects. The automatic nail feeding system improves speed and efficiency. This model is a great option. Number 2. Fujiwara Electric Nail Gun Single Use. The Fujiwara Electric Nail Gun is a reliable tool designed for woodworking and furniture projects. It supports both single-use and double-use modes and works with 422J nails and F30 straight nails. This makes it suitable for carpentry, DIY furniture building, and general woodworking tasks. The powerful mechanism ensures consistent nail driving, while the ergonomic design helps maintain comfort and accuracy during use. Built with durable materials. Tacker Electric Stapler Gun. The F32/425K framing Tacker electric stapler gun takes the number 1 position thanks to its versatility and strong performance. This 2-in-1 tool supports both brad nails and staples, making it ideal for framing, woodworking, upholstery, and furniture assembly. The powerful electric motor delivers consistent fastening power, ensuring accurate and efficient work. Its compact and durable design allows easy handling even during demanding projects. Electric stapler guns are essential tools for faster and more efficient DIY and construction work. The models in this list offer strong performance, versatile features, and great value for different projects. Whether you need a stapler for upholstery, woodworking, or home repairs, there's a great option here. Let us know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tool reviews.